Okay, so hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. BISP Solutions is a tech company and provide technological solutions across the world. Now, this is our third day. Okay, this is our third day of the business analysis case studies. In our first day before yesterday, we started with our introduction. Now, in that we have seen what is business analysis, where the business analyst is required, and all these things. Yesterday we saw how many types of BA are there, right? And what are the skills required for becoming different types of BA. Now this is our third day, and today we are going to see different types of projects that a BA handle. Okay, types of projects. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, fine. Okay, now what will happen today? We are going to discuss on what type of projects the BA handles. Now in this third day of our session, we will see how many different types of projects are there. Now see, there are basically two different types of projects. One is ERP project and other is like traditional software projects. So let's see this first. Let me start here. Okay, now see, introduction to ERP and traditional software projects, that these are the two types of projects that a BA handles, right? Now ERP projects and if we talk about the ERP projects and the traditional software projects, both are different, totally different. They are not like same. In traditional softwares, the core scripting is done from the beginning, whereas in the ERP projects, the product is already prepared, product is already available. You have to tailor that product according to the need of the client. Okay, so that is the main difference. In traditional application like software projects, you have to, each time you have to consult with the company that has developed your application. But in ERP, what you need to do, just you have to hire your own developer who is good in that ERP product, and then you have to just keep on changing. That's it. So first of all, let's have an introduction. What the introduction to ERP and traditional software project. Now what is ERP? Now ERP stands for enterprise resource planning. Okay, now it's a suite of integrated business application. It's a combination of integrated business application. Now integrated business application or the business module, what does that mean? For example, let me go again with the notepad. Second, yeah. Now in a company, right, in a company, corporate company, I'm talking about corporate company, like sales order department is there, purchase order department is there, pricing department is there, inventory department is there, right? And what, return material authorization department is there in a company, right? I'm not talking about software, just a practical. In a company, corporate company, whether it is a furniture selling company, it's a retail company, any type of company. Vendor management, customer management, CRM, customer relationship management, and what else, chart of accounts, that's accountant manage. So all these things are the common practice in a corporate company. Now keeping all these things in mind, a company has developed a product in which all these modules are incorporated. That is called Oracle NetSuite. That's it. Now it's an ERP. Now first we will talk about the ERP only. Now keeping this thing in mind, a NetSuite product is developed. Now in this NetSuite product, what happens, every module is complete in itself. For example, whatever a sales department does, that everything is incorporated in this sales order module. That is also called as O2C, order to cash. Similarly, in a purchase department, when there were no laptop, no computers, so how people used to do their work, everything is digitized in this application. So that is called ERP. Okay, so that is why it is called as a suite of integrated business application, and it is used to manage core processes, right? Finance. One more thing is there that was missed. For example, balance sheet, general entries, P&L report. So all these things are incorporated in this ERM. Okay, now it manages all financial, sales, procurement, inventory, HR, all these department. One module dedicated to each department is prepared and incorporated in this application. That is called NetSuite. Now examples of some other ERPs also there. It is not necessary that only one ERP is in the market. NetSuite, SAP, right? Tally ERP. Tally is also an ERP, right? Everything is managed inside that. So in this way, there are so many n number of products. QuickBooks is also there, QB. So there are n numbers of so many products are there. So these are called ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP project. Now what are traditional software project? So the one who works on this implementation of this product, that is called ERP project. And what are traditional software project? As it is written here, look at this. What are traditional software project? Now traditional software project means exactly what? It's a custom software built for specific problem or product, right? It's a custom solution, custom software solution built for specific product problem, like school management system, banking website, college management system, food delivery app. These are called traditional software projects. If a college owner goes to an IT company and says that I want to develop a project or a build a application for my college management system, so that is called traditional software project, right? And it can include either mobile app, website, desktop app, internal portals, all these things, right? So the example for this, food delivery app, college management software, right? These are the applications, these are the projects that a business analyst handles. Okay, now role of business analyst in both the worlds. Now let's go deeper inside. Now see, role of business analyst in both type of worlds are totally different. In ERP project, let's talk about in ERP project, it acts as a bridge between business user and ERP consultants, right? So the ERP consultants also already know that everything is available in that ERP, and we just need to make a slight modification. For example, customization of the form. Sales order to cash module is already there in the NetSuite, but the requirement something like change the form according to our requirement, change the output PDF file according to our requirement, all these things are done in ERP project. So the consultant also knows. Now there are two types of consultants, ERP consultants. One is technical consultant, one is functional. We will discuss it in our upcoming sessions. And another is business user, means the client who is who wants to implement NetSuite or any ERP in their business. Okay. Now this is the first point. Second is focus is on process understanding, configuration and best practices. Now here the focus is not like how we are going to build, these are the pages, these are the UI UX design. Focus will not be like this. Focus will be understanding the process, that how your sales order to cash, the point of sales order creation till the point of invoice, how you proceed, that will be the focus.